Okay, Scarlet the Gay Pikachu's recording now. And don't judge his name. Because you can't, it says in the Bible that you can't judge somebody just by something little like that. But, yeah. So, I think I might do this HTC record. I got this one, so I don't know. But, test number 1. OC card spell limit number 33.
I feel fine and cash.
Yeah, getting nice and getting nice.
Next, let's do a freaking motor. Get out of that motor. Get out.
Off with your head. Let me set my camera up, guys. It's not working out. I wish I could do a live stream.
My camera's the only one that works.
No, my camera works. It's not working right because, like, I have to do it from the lock screen because the widget won't work. But the camera itself works, so I have to do it from the lock screen. But I saw a piece fly off.
That's it does.
Come on, I want this to freaking go back. Oh, there's some. We're getting somewhere. Yeah, we're getting somewhere.
Oh no! I broke the wheel! What?
Never hurts to have another HTC. It's broken anyway.
Don't throw it in there.
No, the calm battery, that stuff.
Ow, fuck.
Calm battery.
Wait, I got something else I can throw in there.
Wait, can we throw the HTC?
You want to throw this in there?
That works though, but this don't.
Okay. Let's put an iPhone. Let's do an iPhone. Okay. I already got a new iPod Touch.
I got an iPod Touch too. We went dumpster diving.
Plus we don't do phone calls, so don't need an iPhone.
I mean, me and my brother went dumpster diving. We found 2 phones, and this broken one with a palm battery.
This iPhone was originally found in the trash, so please don't make a bad comment in the comment section.
And also, these phones were recording on dumpster diving.
Yeah, we found these phones in dumpster diving, and there's nothing wrong with the screen. They were brand new in the package.
Yeah, mine's a Sony Xperia, and my brother's is a Samsung Galaxy.
Mine's a Samsung Galaxy S1.
Mine's an Xperia.
I guess they were stolen, and then they decided to throw them away. They keep doing it. What the fuck? Why are they doing that shit?
Well, it is humid as heck outside.
I mean, there is a tornado watch, but they just redid the fucking system like 2 times. I don't see shit, except for our own backyard.
It's trashed.
Alright, let's get back to business. Alright. 4 minutes. Could have swore I've been recording longer than that. Alright.
Oh, I already started it because you SD card started. It was 7 minutes too. Okay, let's do this HTC. No, I'm going to do.
No, the iPhone.
No, we're going to do.
iPhone! Oh.
Here, what? Oh, God! You think we should just drop test it?
We gotta get the motherboard. Oh my god, it put a hole in it.
Put a hole.
Oh my god, it put a hole in it.
Put it on my camera. I can see.
Better shoot out the window.
Don't back it yet. Okay, throw it at the concrete. Open the window all the way up.
What if the phone falls out of our hands?
It's okay.
See this?
Let's go see the damage.
I don't even know where it landed. Hey, let me get my cigarette. Yeah. Fuck. Collar. I hate wearing this. Hey, where's it at? They did the test 2 times, no nuts.
I know. Scubs.
How bad is it?
It's really bad.
You want to smash it on the ground?
Let's do a...
No, stab it with a fork. Stab it with a fork.
Head height, drop test.
Do it again.
Head height.
I'm going to do it right here by the...
Head height don't really do something.